Hello everyone, Kritika here. Among the top 10 programming languages list of 2020, Python is in the first place. It is one of the rapidly growing programming language. Python has always been the number one choice for development plan. You can do anything with Python. There are many technologies that rely on Python program. With this short note, let's learn Python. In this video, we are going to know about a brief introduction about Python, secret behind the success and fame of Python, real-world applications, the difference in using text editor and IDE, and at last, top 13 IDEs to code Python. Let's start. Python introduction. Guido van Rossum is the founder of Python. It is the world's most popular and fastest computer programming language. Python is multi-purpose and high-level language. It was invented in the year 1989. Using Python, one can solve complex problems in less time with fewer lines of code. It's a well-established fact that Python is one of the most popular programming language. But have you wondered the secret behind its success and fame? Here it is. Simplicity. Python is not only easy to learn, but also easy to use and implement as compared to other programming language. Since syntax of Python is straightforward and very similar to English, everybody can master the coding in few days. Indentation is mandatory here, which enhances the readability factor. It is a free and open source programming language. Python can be installed and used with no cost. It means source code is freely available to public. It can be downloaded from the official website python.org. It is a high-level language. It's not needed to remember the system's architecture and memory management. This feature contributes to user-friendliness in Python. It is an interpreter. Python is an interpreted language. There is no need to compile the code as we do in other languages. That is, instead of executing the source code all at once, Python executes it line by line, which makes it easier to debug a Python code. It is both object-oriented and functional. Object-oriented programming language models real-world data, while functional languages focuses on function, that is reusable code. Python supports both these concepts, and also Python supports multiple inheritance. It is portable. Python is portable and highly flexible. It is a cross-platform programming language, which means coding written for one operating system can also run in another operating system. There is no need to make any alterations in the code. It can be used with any operating systems like Windows, Linux, Mac OS, etc. It is extensible and embeddable. Python allows to write a specific part of its code in other programming languages like C++. Similarly, you can also embed Python code in the source code of other programming languages. It comes with vast collection of libraries. When Python is downloaded, extensive collection of Python libraries are also automatically downloaded with it. Python has libraries and packages for web browsers, databases, image manipulations, and many more. These are the secret behind the success of Python. Let's move on to real-world applications. Python offers numerous options for web development. Frameworks such as Django, Pyramid, Flask, and Bottle are some of them. Many websites have been developed using Python. Some of the web applications are Instagram, Pinterest, Google, YouTube, Spotify, Netflix, likewise. Python comes loaded with many useful libraries for the development of interactive games. Pygame is one among that. Pygame is a Python-based library exclusively used for game development. Many games are also developed using Python. Some of them are Battlefield, World of Tanks, Disney's Toontown Online, Vega Strike. Not only in game development and web development, Python have placed its footpath in many areas. Here, I am listing out very few among that. Tools and technologies used for artificial intelligence and machine learning is different from other software models. Since Python holds these qualities, it has become one of the most favored language for data science professionals. Some of the best packages for AI and ML are SciPy, Pandas, Seaborn, Keras, TensorFlow, NumPy, PyTorch. PyQt, tkinter, Kiwi are some of the best Python-based GUI frameworks that allow developers to create highly functional graphical user interface. Language development. Python's design and architecture has been the inspiration behind the development of many new programming languages. Boo, Cobra, Swift are some of the programming languages which has been used with the inspiration of Python. All these languages share numerous similarities of Python. Operating system. Yes, Python is a secret ingredient behind many operating systems as well, most popularly of Linux distributions. Usually, Python is combined with C programming language to design and develop operating system. Linux-based Ubuntu's Ubiquity installer and Fedora and Red Hat's Enterprise's Anaconda installer are coded in Python. Web scraping tools. Python is ingenious tool for extracting voluminous amount of data from websites and web pages. We know that the pulled data is generally used in different real-world processes such as job listing, price comparison, R&D, etc. Some of those tools are Beautiful Soup, Mechanical Soup, Selenium, and Scrappy. These are some of the best Python-based web scraping tools. Then image processing and graphic design tools. Python is also used globally to design and build 2D imaging software and 3D animation. To name few, it is Inkscape and Blender. Text editor and IDE can be used in the place of each other for developing any software. A code or text editor is a tool that is used to write and edit codes. They are usually lightweight and can be great for learning. However, once program gets larger, we need to test and debug our code. That's where IDE comes in. IDE, Integrated Development Environment. This understands our code much better than code editor. This environment provides many features like coding, compiling, debugging, executing, autocomplete, and libraries, all in one place for developers. This can significantly speed up our work. IDE can be considered as the best development environment for Python. Code editor are faster in operating. However, it's not optimum for larger projects. Here is the list of top 13 IDEs for coding in Python. PyCharm, Spider, PyDev, Idle, Wing, EricPython, Atom, Thorny, Jupyter, Sublime Text 3, Rodeo, Vim, and Visual Studio Code. So many IDEs are there to develop the program in Python. Here I have listed only very few among that. An ideal IDE selection is purely based on the developer's environment. Though many IDEs are available, based on our requirement, we can choose the IDE to code in Python. This is the official website to download Python, python.org. Select the operating system and download Python. If suppose you want to download the previous versions, means it is also available in this website so that you can download the previous versions of Python also. We are going to learn Python through the IDE PyCharm. Here is the website to download PyCharm, jetbrains.com. PyCharm is available for professional as well as for community. Select the community, which is free and open source. There is no barrier to learn. If you don't want to install any software, you have online compilers, onlinegdb.com. This is the online compiler not only for Python, for other programming languages also. The programming languages are listed out there. You can select whichever language you want and then you can start typing your code. To work with Python coding, select Python 3 and start typing your program. Hope this is clear to you.